Performer tonight is Deborah Hunter. She's a community artist and poet. She's been doing this for many years, and she was a finalist for the 2013 Oklahoma Poet Laureate. And her spoken word performance piece tonight is titled My Shot. So please help me in welcoming her.
There are several lines in this poem that are from Lin-Manuel Miranda's Hamilton. Wait till I sally in on a stallion with the 1st Black Battalion. I'm not throwing away my shot. 9,000 black men fought for America in the Revolutionary War, fought for their shot at independence, to sign their names on the Declaration, to be in the room where it happens. We're going to rise up. We're going to rise up, and we're not throwing away our shot. 179,000 black men fought for the Union in the Civil War, fought for their shot at independence, to be free and equal after emancipation, to be in the room where it happens. We're going to rise up. We're going to rise up, and we're not throwing away our shot. Makes me want to holler. She said, "You were given preference because you're black." I'm going to rise up. And he said he wasn't privileged because he grew up poor. I'm going to rise up. And she said, calling black people monkeys is not an insult because monkeys are cute. I'm going to rise up. And he said, go back to where you came from. I am from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I'm not throwing away my shot. I wonder how many who raise their voice in song while they sing along understand the word of what Miranda means when he says, but we'll never be truly be free until those in bondage have the same rights as you and me, you and I, do or die. I gotta holler just to be heard. But if I do, you call me an angry black woman, and all I want is my shot. Every burden, every disadvantage I have known to manage, I don't have a gun to brandish, because, remember, I'm an angry black woman, not to be trusted with a weapon that shoots bullets or a weapon that is my body. When I walk into this room, dedicated to men who wrote, "We, the people of the United States," I know they did not mean we the people, but we the white men, we who stand in power and position, we who own land and black bodies. When they wrote, "We, the people of the United States," they did not mean people whose skin color reminded them they once crawled out of primordial mud. When they wrote, "We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal," they did not mean brown and black men. And women were just cattle, chattel. Grand words, high ideals, justice, domestic tranquility, common defense, general welfare, the blessings of liberty for ourselves and our posterity were never meant to include me. I'm not fooled by this nation trying to school me into assimilation. I'm not a tool for your discrimination. So when I enter this room, it calls to mind my ancestral past. Makes me want to holler. This land is my land too. We're going to rise up. We're going to rise up. Your thoughts and prayers are benign. I'm not whining. I don't need your sympathy. Put away your bigotry. I'm not looking for a handout. You don't even have to be a standout. Just do a self-check and raise your foot off my neck so I can rise up. I don't have to go back to where I came from. I am standing right where I came from. I'm not leaving where I came from. I'm fighting for my spot. I'm not throwing away my shot to be in the room where it happened.